This lesson is for anybody following the plan for this channel who wants to play along with or participate in the performance of the song I'm writing. Check the description below for more information. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over how beginners can play the first guitar part for the song I'm writing. If you've already seen this video, skip ahead to practice along to the playthrough. You only have to learn 4 chords: C major, A minor, G5 diminished, and G major 7. For C major, place the tip of your first finger on the second string in the first fret. Make sure it doesn't touch the string below it. Also make sure that you have your fingertip right at the front of the fret, not the back or the middle, just right up front. You only want to press hard enough to get a good sound. You shouldn't feel like you have to squeeze as hard as you can. And strum the bottom 3 strings. Cool, keep that finger there. For A minor 7, we're going to add the second finger on the 4th string, right in the 2nd fret. Make sure your second finger doesn't touch the string below it either, and strum from the 5th string down. For G5 diminished, we have to move both our first and second finger down to the bottom 2 strings. Our first finger is going to be on the 2nd string in the 2nd fret. Make sure to keep it right up on the fingertip. And our second finger on the next string down, the bottom string, in the next fret forward, right in the 3rd fret. And we're just going to strum the bottom 3 strings. Finally, for G major 7, we just need to bring our first finger down to the bottom string. So lift both fingers off, move your first finger down, just 1 string, keeping it in the 2nd fret. And we're going to strum the bottom 3 strings. That's it for how to play each chord. Practice them in order, giving each 4 slow counts before moving to the next. Don't worry about using a metronome to start. Allow yourself more than enough time to get between each chord without having your fingers dance all over the place. The second part of this section jumbles all the chords around, so make sure that you also practice changing from A minor 7 to C major and to G major 7. For this playthrough, start with a tempo you're comfortable with. You can easily slow it down by going to the settings for this video and choosing the playback settings, selecting 0.5 speed for half speed or 0.75 speed for 3/4 speed. In the actual song, we'll only go through this progression once the first time out, but I've repeated it for the purposes of this playthrough so you don't have to just stop and keep going back over it.